Hello students, here is Vivek sir, your new class teacher as well as English subject teacher. Today I am going to start with the chapter 1 literature with poetry section worthwhile. As earlier Nazin ma'am taught you the first stanza of the poem worthwhile. So today I will teach second stanza of the same poem worthwhile by Ella Wheeler Wilcox. Here you can see that I have written the meaning of some hard words which you have to write and learn also. So student, first I am going to describe the first 5 lines of the second stanza. What are the first 5 lines? It is easy enough to be prudent when nothing tempts you to stray, when without or within no voice of sin are luring your soul away. Here, poet wants to say that if nothing is going good in your life or nothing is going good in your way, then sometime wrong did come in your way and will tempt your soul to do the wrong things. Here, we have to concentrate on some hard words also. Poet used the word sin. Sin means wrong deed. If I will tell you in Hindi, wrong deed meaning पाप, कि जब कभी आप गलत आपकी ज़िंदगी में होता है तो आप कहीं ना कहीं गलत रास्तों पे भटक जाते हैं. सो दैट टाइम व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू overcome from it by your good judgment and have to be very careful for not doing any wrong thing. You do not have to be negative, you have to be positive always. So the next 5 lines are here. But it's only a negative virtue until it is tried by fire, and the life that is worth the honor of earth is the one that resists desire. First, I want to say you that desire meaning to wish for, what you wish for, what you want to be, what you want in your life. That is desire. What the poet is telling? Poet is telling that only can stop you in your way, that is your negativeness, that is your negative habit. It can stop your desire also. In that situation, we have to control our wish. And what we have to do? We have to burn those wrong deeds which is coming in your mind, which is coming in your way. Then after you will get the peaceful life. Students, whenever you are feeling weak or thinking that anything is not going in your way, you have to be positive, because it is the only thing which can give you happiness, peace and better result. Thank you. This is all for today. Tomorrow we are going with the third stanza. Thank you students.